My name is Aybulat Mukhanov. I study at the sixth form. Musa Jalil applied to Motherland. Forgive me, Motherland was name, was on my lips in bitter strife. Forgive me to your sacred glory. I failed to sacrifice my life. I didn't betray you for a moment to save my life. A speck of dust, the vocal front, now I to my oath. Was faithful to the very last. I feared not when I heard the blast of bombs and bullets, buzzing sound. I faltered not when blood and corpses was all very was to see around. Although on very side the road was cut, although my chest was burned, with my hot blood I shed no tear. My limbs were awake, my soul was strong.